All right, episode 3. Let me try and get some better times. I'm running 72.25. Dawn went to 76.27. We're going to see what happens. We get better footage. We got double footage, triple footage. What's the speed goal?
Huh?
What's the speed goal?
I don't know.
3 seconds? And then the speed doesn't matter no more? I did 28 and then 34. You did what, 30?
On speed, I did 34 and then 37.
Okay.
I'll get at least 40, maybe 40.
You know what I didn't do?
What?
Tighten my slipper. There we go. Tighten slipper, see if we do better. Whoa! Maybe a little bit looser on the slipper. Oh, you brought a piece of carpet? Run 3. See if I have to loosen my slipper more. What'd you get? 340 at 39 miles an hour.
What's your time?
Alright, I took mine off drag, so I'm just going to hold it wide open as far as I can to see what my top speed is. I just might not be getting there because of that 72 spur. Set. Go. Those are pretty evenly matched.